All right, here we come to the elevators at the Lee Building in Chevy Chase, Maryland. And oh my gosh, yo, guys, yo, look at this. It's a Westinghouse triangle button, my very first. Awesome. Triangle button, look at this, y'all. This is my very first triangle button Westinghouse elevator. Holy cloud. Oh my gosh. Guys, oh my gosh, this is my very first real and actual Westinghouse black button. Holy heaven of joy. Oh my gosh. Yo, I'm shaking right now. Finally get to see this. Finally. Wow. Oh my joy. I am lost for words, y'all. Awesomeness. I honestly do apologize for the huge reaction at the beginning of this video, but oh my gosh. Here's your phone. My gosh, was I so excited. Look at this. Westinghouse. I've been dying to find one my whole life. I mean, I actually found a Westinghouse black button at Macy's at Park Plaza Mall in Little Rock, Arkansas, but those fixtures appear to be paint of some sort and not the actual type of Westinghouse black button. Sticks for another ride. And notice how this thing stays open unless if you select your floor. Wow. Tell me about this, y'all. Tell me about this. All right, I'm gonna send this back down and we're gonna get the other car. There's the old ashtray right here. Oh, I hear the motor. Oh, look at this. A rotodial. I gotta get a detailed view of that rotodial indicator. Here's the other elevator car. I don't know if it'll close. Nope, it does not close unless you select a floor. This is totally awesome. Wow, this is beautiful. I am out of words, y'all. This is by far one of my top most favorite elevators in the DC metro area. This has to be my absolute most favorite of all times. All right, let's go on to B. The light is kind of obstructing the view on the indicator on this elevator car, but it still works. So you can see right here. I might as well just take it down to B what ended on 1. Y'all, trust me. I'm out of shock, y'all. And what ended at 1. Tell me about this, y'all. Isn't this not cool or something? Both cars are open. Look at this. Nice. All right, well, with that being said, hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, before I end, I really need to get a view of these fixtures again. Triangle buttons. Totally, just totally a gift. Just an absolute gift of all times. Ooh, I just backed into the wall. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and that is going to be it.